Hello everyone, in this video I am going to unpack the disciplinary process of Ontario College of Teachers. About the college, the Ontario College of Teachers, or OCT, is the regulatory college for the teaching profession in Ontario and is the largest self-regulatory body in Canada. It was established in 1997. The college has specific goals to regulate the teaching professions in Ontario, and also its duty is to serve and protect the public interest. The mission of the college is placing the students' interest and well-being first by regulating and promoting excellence in teaching. The college has a couple of responsibilities to achieve its goals, such as licensing, governing, and regulating the practice of teaching, developing the standards of teaching practice, regulating ongoing teaching certification and professional development, and accrediting teacher education programs. The other responsibility is about communicating with the public on behalf of the profession, which it does primarily through its website. And the last one, the College of Teachers has a responsibility to receive and investigate complaints against members of the college related to professional misconduct, incompetence, or incapacity, and to deal with discipline and fitness to practice issues. The last responsibility of OCT is very important in Canadian schooling. According to the Understanding Canadian Schooling by Young, Levin, and Dowling, at the most basic level, teachers need to be concerned about the safety of their students, and the teachers can be sued or prosecuted, possibly leading to loss of their right to teach if they neglect their responsibilities. Three college committees deal with complaints. The first of all is Investigation Committee, which reviews the investigator's report and the supporting documentation. Under the direction of this committee, college investigators investigate complaints in a fair and impartial manner. Second one is about Discipline Committee. The Discipline Committee considers allegations of incompetence and professional misconduct that are referred to it by the Investigation Committee. Three-member panels make decisions by considering the information and evidence related to the complaint. The panel includes 2 elected teachers and 1 appointed public member of council. Discipline hearings are serious business, and the college does everything it can to make sure that they are timely, open, and fair. The third one is Fitness to Practice Committee, which holds hearings related to alleged incapacity. The hearing is not open to the public unless the member requests that it be open. In the case of the panel finds the member guilty of professional misconduct or incompetence, committee would make different decisions, such as revoking the member's certificate, suspending the certificate for up to 2 years, imposing terms, conditions, or limitations on the certificate, postpone a decision for a specific period to provide the member with an opportunity to fulfill certain conditions. And in the case of finding of professional misconduct, only the committee would act differently. Whether the panel finds members guilty of professional misconduct or clears them from all allegations, the process protects the students, the public interest, and the integrity of Ontario's teaching profession. To make the connection with the case studies that we had in this course, first of all, I can talk about Billy and Mr. Cole. This case can be considered as an example of professional misconduct in which teacher had inappropriate behavior with the student and didn't hold the standards of teaching practice and ethical standards of teaching profession on OCT. And the other one is about Jane and Mr. Jones, which is an example of negligence and misconduct. According to the Professional Misconduct 437/97, regulation of the Ontario College of Teachers Act, college members can be found guilty of professional misconduct if they fail to comply with duties under the CYFSA. According to the duty of report, the CYFSA requires that you report suspicion of physical, sexual, and emotional abuse, neglect, and risk of harm to Children's Aid Society. And in both cases, we had the combination of these issues. According to the CYFSA, everyone has a duty to protect children and a duty to report suspected child abuse or neglect. Now, what are OSSTF or FESO's responsibilities? First of all, the union exists to serve the membership. Do not be afraid to request assistance. So in general, they have protective role, ensures due process, provides assistance, launches grievance if necessary, provides legal assistance if appropriate. And finally, is the OCT needed for the teaching profession in Ontario? Yes. OCT has an important role in teaching profession in Ontario. OCT's responsibilities have a wide range. 1. Preparing teachers with accurate education programs. 2. Issuing, renewing, revoking the teaching certificate. 3. Providing a framework of principles that describes the required knowledge, skills, and values. 4. Receive and investigate the complaint against members. The college takes all the responsibility of educating teachers to make sure that they follow all the rules and legislations related to their profession and hold the standards of practice and ethical standards. By these laws, the college makes expectations clear to both members and the public, and also it makes members accountable for their job. Thank you so much.